Dear students, it is the time to solve self-assessment 2 of class 5. Let's start it. Number 1. Answer these questions. Questions are as follows. A. Who had come to meet Sukhiram? Answer. Dukhiram had come to meet Sukhiram. B. What was going to be proved by experiments? Answer. It was going to be proved by experiment that plants have life. C. What were the qualities of Vikas? Answer. Vikas was handsome and intelligent. He was an orphan boy. He had a habit of speaking while dreaming. D. Who is the poet of the town child? Answer is Irene Thompson is the poet of the town child. E. How many days did Nachiketa wait for Yam? Answer. Nachiketa waited for Yam for 3 days. Number 2. Choose the correct option. 4 options were given and here right answer has been chosen and written. What did the servant bring for Dukhiram? Answer. Food. The servant brought food for Dukhiram. Jagdish Chandra Bose was a scientist of dash. Answer. Physics. Jagdish Chandra Bose was a scientist of physics. Where did Vikas see the hermit? Answer. Under a tree. Vikas saw the hermit under a tree. How many things does the child like in the town? Answer is 1. The blue sky is only one thing that the child like in the town. What was being given to priests? Answer is cattle. Cattle were being given to the priests. Cattle is plural, so we should use plural verb with cattle. Write true or false. Dukhiram had come from the town. False. Dukhiram had come from his village. Sukhiram was living in a town. Plants also laugh and weep. True. C. Vikas married the niece of Dayanand. False. Vikas married the daughter of Dayanand and her name was Shobha. There is smoke everywhere in the town. True. Nachiketa went to Yamlok to meet Yam. It is also true. And now question number 4, which is the last question of self-assessment 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Nachiketa waited at the doorstep of dash. Answer is Yam. Nachiketa waited at the doorstep of Yam. The town child does not like the dash that he hears. Answer is noises. The town child does not like the noises that he hears. Vikas was insulted dash in front of other servants. Vikas was dash in front of other servants. Answer is insulted. Vikas was insulted in front of other servants. Crescograph can measure the dash of a plant. Answer is growth. Crescograph can measure the growth of a plant. And E. Dukhiram gave some dash instruments to the servants. Answer is musical. Dukhiram gave some musical instrument to the servants. This was all about the self-assessment 2 of class 5. This self-assessment 2 was based on chapter number 6 to 10. So to solve self-assessment 2, you must go through chapter number 6 to 10 of your book. Thank you. Have a nice day.